everything about this is what you imagine paradise to be. Good morning and welcome to the channel. So today we're in Coron, and a couple of days ago we went on a boat tour. We did some island hopping, which was absolutely amazing, which you would have seen in the recent video. And today we are heading somewhere else in Coron. We've rented a bike for today. It cost us 500 pesos for one day, and we are heading to Black Island.
We hope, anyway.
We hope, yeah. So we're going to be on a bit of a mission. We're going to bike for about an hour and a half or even longer.
To a beach called
Ocam Beach, and from there you can grab a boat, hopefully with one of the locals there, to get to the Black Island. It's about a 30-minute journey on a boat from that beach. You can get it from Coron town, but it costs considerably more, and it takes around about 3 hours each way to get there on a boat from Coron town. So we're going to drive. It's a lot cheaper this way, and hopefully we can get there.
Yesterday we knew that we were going to be up early. What time did the alarm go off? 6:30, and we have, what do you call them, roosters or cockerels, literally like 10 meters away from our window, and this is the second day in a row that they've woken me up at 3:30 in the morning, so we're both really tired.
Yeah.
But we picked up some bakery stuff from a place called Julie's yesterday when we went out for lunch, because we knew we'd be up early, so we're missing breakfast at our hotel. So I've got some a panned cocoa to have. It's not the best because it's not fresh now, but it's like it means coconut. Well, it's not going to focus. It basically means coconut bread, so it's like shredded coconut inside there. And I ate one yesterday and it was so good. So this is my breakfast. I just done my teeth, so
We're also going to be heading to a little restaurant before we leave, and the guy there called Carlo, he cooked us food. Yeah, he cooked us food last night and it was absolutely amazing, and he's made us some sandwiches this morning as well. So this is our bike, and it cost us 500 pesos for the day, and it's a Yamaha i125, which we haven't had before, and it's pink, so Rayna loves it. This is our helmets. So we look fantastic. We're going to be leaving now, and it's about an hour and a half drive. So we will see you when we get to the beach. So we've been driving for about an hour and a half now. This is such a long drive.
like our bums are so numb we can't feel them.
Just got off to have a little stretch.
You drive down like a dirt track for about 4 kilometres until you get to this little village sort of place, so we parked our bike here.
This is our bike. And it's kind of like this random kind of, there's a couple of bikes here, and then you walk through and there's this bridge here that you walk over to get to the beach. So we have managed to get a boat and we are just about to leave the beach, and we are heading to Black Island. It's about a 30-minute boat ride from here, and there's some big waves over there which I really don't like the look of, and I hope we don't go through them, and if we do, I'm going to be absolutely petrified.
No, you couldn't stand tall, so why didn't you call? So many years gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? we used to do.
So we have made it to Black Island, and the sun come out just at the right time. We've got some amazing drone shots already, and there's a shipwreck on this island. There's a few caves that you can explore as well, and the water here is absolutely incredible. It costs 200 pesos per person to enter the island, and our boat cost us 2,000 pesos as well. Bike for the day cost 500 pesos, so in total we've spent just under 3,000 pesos, when a tour here was around about 12,000 pesos for the two of us. So we are now going to jump into the water and do a bit of snorkeling and get right up and close with the shipwreck. So we're just about to snorkel.
Why are you talking down?
There's a sunken shipwreck that we're going to swim around and have a look at. It looks absolutely amazing. I can see loads of fish around there already. So apparently the coral has grown onto the shipwreck. So we're going to have a quick swim around and see what I can find.
So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air.
The reason why it's called Black Island is the rock formation on the island
And
is,
actually,
when the sun is on it, it looks like a dark grey colour,
and I think
making it
it's,
look brown.
I think
black.
it's if you get here early in the morning, the sun is over the other side of it, so the sea with the shipwreck looks black.
Yeah.
I think with a shadow as well.
Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
Oh my god. Our captain, I called him Captain Jack Sparrow, has just shown us around the caves that are here. There's two, and one of them is light enough, and there's actually water in the cave as well, and you can jump in the water and have a swim. But it's a little bit too dark for us, and we decided not to have a little swim there. There is a place just around the corner here where you can do some cliff diving too, which looks pretty fun. We've seen some locals here having a good old time doing loads of cliff diving and having a party here, and honestly I would say this is one of the best places to visit so far that we've been in Philippines. Obviously, yeah, I mean literally one of our favourite places we've been to since we've been travelling, if not maybe our favourite place. It is just so beautiful. The water is like Gatorade blue and it's clear. I mean the sunken shipwreck is amazing. The sand is like silky smooth and white, and it's just everything about this is what you imagine paradise to be. But yeah, we're going to be heading back soon, and yeah, we've been here for a couple of hours now, and if we could, we'd stay here for even longer. It's absolutely amazing.
I think the 2 days that we've had in Coron where we've been doing stuff have been like the best bits that we've had travelling so far. The views and the sea and like all the cliffs and mountains and stuff are like the most stunning views that we've seen throughout all our travels. So if you're thinking about coming to the Philippines, definitely add Coron to your list. I'm sure it's probably already on there, but we love it so far.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Say hello to the camera. Okay, you don't like the camera. So we have just got off of the boat, back on land, and we tipped Captain Jack Sparrow. Yeah, very pleased with obviously the journey that we have done today as well. But now we have got a 2-hour drive back to Coron, so we will end this part here and we will see you guys later on in Coron. Rayna, come on, we're going. Rayna, up. Rayna, get up. Yeah, come on, let's go. We've got to go. Come on. Alright, I'll leave you here then. See ya.
Excuse our appearance, we have been asleep. Having an afternoon nap for a good few hours because we're so tired. Because that damn rooster wakes me up at 3:30, I swear to God. I can't promise I won't go and kill it.
We literally fell asleep as soon as we got back in. We've had a really good day overall. It did
take ages to get there.
It took ages, and it also hurt our bums because we was on the bike for about 4 hours in total.
But I think that's all part of the like fun day out because you get to see how the locals live, and like we saw loads of cute little kids like waving at us and stuff.
Yeah,
and
everybody was really smiley towards us as well. And I'm also going to put a Google Maps link in for our friend across the road, Carlo. Yeah.
If you're staying in this hotel or homestay, it's called Aquila Homestay. We highly recommend it. It's in a good enough location in Coron town proper. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
It's within walking distance to like the main town and all the restaurants and stuff. But if you come out of the homestay, just straight over the road, and Carlo has his little shop there and then a restaurant, and he does really like the best garlic fried rice. Yeah. I mean the best garlic rice.
I've had for lunch garlic fried rice with chicken. You had some noodles yesterday which were amazing.
I think they're called pan sic canton. Carlo, if you're watching, tell me if I'm correct.
And we also have bought all of our water from him, all of our snacks, and not only has he helped us with food, but he has helped us with, like, earlier on we had a problem with our bike, he helped us with our bike.
We couldn't get the seat up.
He's a magic man. Make sure that you come here, and even if you're in Coron town, just come up here, pay him a visit. He's honestly got like the best food that we've had since we've been here. We're really glad that we got to meet him and all the other people that we've met since we've been here. We hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Again, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to it. If you're re-watching this, please like the video, comment. Yeah, we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.